Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My filming area is a damn mess. So I filmed this yesterday and it was just another mess in general, so I decided I needed to refilm it because I went to go upload it and I was like, this is a hot mess. Let me try again. So I put in an order for the ready to ship rainbow melts and I was super excited because I have not ordered rainbow melts in a while. So she sends a little sample bag, which I already took the samples out, and then she sends this card, which I notice it's smaller now, which I'm sure probably saves her on paper supplies, which is nice. So the samples she sent were coconut sandalwood, which is cedar, sandalwood, coconut, and soft musk. If I remember, this was a soft sandalwood scent to me. I don't think I love this one. Sandalwood has to be done a certain way for me to like it, but this is very sandalwood scented to me. I don't get cedar in here. Maybe a light cedar, but usually I feel like would be able to smell cedar. Yeah, this one probably isn't for me. I would say this, you would have to like sandalwood to like this one. The next one I have is Sweet on Paris, and I think this is a newer oil that I'm kind of seeing go around in some of the groups. This is Paris Bakery, blackberry, lemon, buttery, vanilla. So when I smelled this yesterday, the blackberry and lemon are very subtle. They're not super strong, and you get a bakery scent. Yeah, it's actually really pretty. It reminds me of something. I wonder if this is like a dupe oil or... Yeah, the lemon and blackberry are so subtle in there. Usually blackberry and lemon sometimes take over a scent like this, so that's nice that it's not too crazy. All right. One of the reasons I wanted to order was I saw these adorable wafers that she's doing, and I was like, yes. So, and these things are pretty huge. I don't know how many ounces they are, but they are huge. So the first scent I got was Elm Street, which is Palo Santo, sugar cookie, and marshmallow. So I don't know if this is the Bath & Body Works dupe, but the scent description is Palo Santo wood, warm amber, and soft musk. It's a soothing, creamy, and woodsy scent. I remember I got a scent shot from Rainbow Melts, I think in Palo Santo, and I did not love it. So I thought with a sugar cookie and marshmallow, I was like, I bet that's really good. I love when vendors do like a more, what's the word, earthy, masculine scent with a bakery scent. I think it always works out really well, and this one did work out really good. This one I would probably, depending on how it does on warm, I'd probably order more. I feel like my husband would love this. I feel like I would like it. It is very like soft. It's comforting. You do get the woodsy scent. I don't get a lot of amber. This one's good. So good job, Crystal, on that one. The next one I have is Strawberry Pop-Tart. This is another one that I've kind of been seeing around in the groups. Sweet, so I wanted to try it to see how it was. This is sweet and crunchy tart filled with the best strawberry jam. I really like Crystal's strawberry oil. I think it's really nice. It's not funky to me. Like some people have some really funky strawberry scented oils, and I just can't. That smells like you took a strawberry Pop-Tart and literally like cut down the middle of it, and that's what you get. This one's really good. If you like strawberry, I think you should try Strawberry Pop-Tart. I don't think you'd be disappointed in that one. Okay, what I really went in for, like the main reason, was zucchini jam. This is creamy zucchini strawberry jam filled donuts, and again, she did these donuts, which were super cute. I warmed zucchini jam the other day, and I fell in freaking love. Her zucchini is so good. The strawberry jam she uses is really good. I mostly get strawberry and the zucchini bread. I don't really feel like I smell donuts, but I mean, it could be in there. I don't know, just kind of hiding. But her zucchini jam has been one of those scents that's been around for a while. I think when I first placed an order, maybe back in like 2016-ish, that was one of the first scents she had ever come out with. All right, Peppered Woods. I wanted to try this one because I do like, what is it, black pepper? Yeah, I'm trying to think of I have a potion pack in black pepper. I think that's what it is. I can't remember. So I was like, you know what, let's just try this. Warm, spicy peppercorn and rich vanilla and sandalwood. I don't love this one. I think my husband might like this one, so yay, he got himself a scent. But I feel like this one maybe is just a little bit too warm, maybe a little bit too spicy. I'm not really sure how to describe that one. I'm gonna have to get that one on a warmer and I'll report back. We're kind of high there. Okay, so I did grab a Plum Delicious. This is juicy plums, toasted marshmallow, and sweet coconut. Again, the donut is super cute. These remind me of like the Simpsons donuts. So Plum Delicious is a sweet plum scent. Just a little bit of tartness, not too much, very sweet. I actually really like plum scents. I ordered a plum scent from another vendor that has sugar cookie, and I am super excited about it. I don't typically love plum scents, but my nose is kind of changing again, once again. No surprise there. Rainbow Melt Animal Crackers. This is another oil that I've been seeing go around everywhere, so I was like, let me try this. Sweet and crunchy animal crackers plus sweet icing. This one has an undertone when you first smell it. It has that weird undertone that I used to get from another vendor. I can't remember the scent. I think it was like blueberry donuts or something. And I was like, it's not Play-Doh undertone, because that's kind of what it was making me think of. It's just got a weird, strange undertone. But as you smell it a little bit more, you do start to get that kind of sweet scent. I don't know. This one is one of those that's definitely going to have to go on a warmer and see how it does. But I mean, I think if you like bakery scents, you should give that one a try just to see how you like it. I did get smaller sizes like these. I think they were called her daisies, so I feel like the smaller sizes are good, you know, if you don't know if you like a scent or not. The donuts and stuff, I figured I would probably like them. I can't remember what these were called. I want to say summer scoops, so you can see the different designs in there. Obviously summer themed. So you're going to need a bigger boat, which is Sweet Strawberries and Ocean Breeze. I had this one from her before, and I remember I really liked it at the time. It's been a while, so we'll see. This one is just good. It kind of reminds me of, well, actually Ocean Breeze smells a lot different than like a Salty Sea Air scent. It's definitely different in that way, but the Sweet Strawberries really makes this blend. I think if you like fresh air, ocean type scents, and you liked like a fresh picked strawberry, I feel like you would like this one. So yeah, definitely needed to grab more of that. So that was just my smallish Rainbow Melt order, and yeah, I'm super excited to check out her other restocks when she does more ready to ship. And yeah, she had a couple others that I was wanting to get, but I was like, just keep it small. She'll pour, you know, more stuff again. Vendors are really good about if you request a scent for them to pour, they're probably going to pour it for you. Now, if you do ask for a vendor to pour something for you, probably should try to attempt to buy that scent. I've made mental note of like when I ask a vendor, hey, can you pour XYZ scent, that I need to order from the restock. So if anything, just the scent that you requested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.